All right, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through a recent premium trading room session, show you the massive profits we made, and talk to you about how you could be making these profits as well. My name is David with Binary Masterclass, and welcome back to the channel. All right, guys. So as we get the trading video rolling here, we're going to take you through some trades that we took in a very recent premium trading room session. And actually, we're going to highlight one trading cycle in particular, because guys, we made a lot of money on this trading cycle, and I want to show you how we did it. And right now you see this pound Aussie trade. Actually, I wish I would have taken more money on this entry. You can see on our indicators, guys, these golden indicators, this currency came right off of that support that we have printed there. And it's a super stress-free trade so far. And guys, this is the value of these indicators. They just are so helpful in helping us recognize good entry spots and combine that with our money management, and you get a scenario with our strategy that allows you to win probably 95% of your trading cycles, and we get that very easy pound Aussie first entry win right there. And guys, as you may know, these indicators are of course $199 typically, but right now we want to give them to you absolutely free. If you just join us as a premium member and join us in our live premium trading room sessions, guys, you're going to get these indicators absolutely free. You can load them on your own MT4, where you can see the support, the resistance, the value charts, other things that we have going on here that we explain to you in depth in our training and in our sessions. You can see here that we are now in we're in a second entry on Euro Franc because our first entry just lost. And I did take a few entries on Euro USD, but I didn't get the best spot, honestly, on a couple of them. So our Euro Franc second is now back in the money, and there you go. Nice, cleanly in the money there. We go back over to our Euro USDs, and I don't know what I was thinking on that last entry, the higher one, but we do win an entry there. We tie an entry, and then we lose one. So guys, we're kind of flat on that Euro USD trading cycle, but we did win a second on the Euro Franc, which is good. And guys, this is where kind of some of the fun began. You see that I took a pound yen trade right at it, what I thought was this resistance level. I don't know if I got it as well as I thought I did, but my first entry is not doing really well right here. It's kind of back at this resistance. This is kind of where I really feel like I should have been in on my first entry, but you know, sometimes you try to get them at the right spot and it doesn't always happen. And you know, the money management will help you make up for that oftentimes. So I do take a second entry there at actually what is a good resistance, but it's a yen currency. So I don't love trading yen currencies. I do some if there are not enough available currencies, but this one just clearly kind of breaks out there. So having trouble with our second on pound yen, but we do go over and actually take a very good third entry on Euro USD at a very nice resistance. It was oversold on the value chart. Oftentimes is going to respond at this level, but we do see the USD and Euro currencies pushing higher. So it does actually go up. We've got a couple more resistance levels up here that we are waiting for. And is Euro USD going to get, it does get to that next level. So we do take another entry there and then one more here, guys. And I went probably a little deeper than I would like, but the odds of this reversing here are really good. I'm watching some other complementary currency pairs. They're reversing very nicely. This Euro USD does come down off of that third resistance very well. Guys, we got a lot of money in this trade. And guys, we're going to make, in this whole trading cycle, we're going to net like $3,000 in profit just right there. You saw that my account started at just under $7,000 and I'm just under $10,000 now, just in this one session. So over $3,000 in profit as we sit in this particular session. And after that win, I did want to par down my aggressiveness. This is actually often the same entry size that I take at many different account balances. So you can see only like a 0.5% of a first entry on a first entry right there. As I approach the $10,000 mark, I just kind of wanted to ease back on on the stress level, ease back on the risk management, and just kind of cruise my way into 10,000. So we'll see if I can get to 10,000 during this session. But as I was saying, guys, if you join us as a premium member, you're going to get these indicators for free. But guys, you don't actually have to join as a premium member if you don't want right out of the gate. You can join as a basic member and you get access to one of our 2 basic sessions, our Binary Masterclass Bootcamp, Telegram group, so many of the benefits, personal live onboarding with a real human being, real human interaction with other traders. Guys, so many benefits just from our basic membership, because the premium membership really is where the money's at. I mean, you can make your monthly membership fee in just one session. It just happens all the time. And it, guys, happened to be a very exceptional trading week last week. You're going to see this first entry just battled here. Euro pound, it can do that. It can give us some troubles. I mean, it can move slow. Euro pound can just move slow. It can put in a whole bunch of volume, and then the volume can really pair off. And it's just sitting right here at this level. And that first entry didn't win. I do have this second entry in place. It does come down in the money here. It's just kind of fighting in the money. What's going to happen here? Okay, it does come up and touch a level. I feel like I should be in a better spot when I look at the MT4 and I look at my pocket option, but that is where I'm at. I do lose. Oh, okay. I lose 2 of those entries, tie one of them. So I'm down a little bit, $150 right now on Euro pound. So because I do put in a $250 entry, as it gets up to that peak again, and it hits a level right there that is really, really good. Maybe you should have given it a few more seconds of patience. But again, I'm trading with a very low percentage. So I'm only like 4% into this trade after a third entry. And this probably should have taken just a little bit more on this one because I think this one would have gotten me as we get back in the money here over that $10,000 mark, but gets me within $25 of 10,000. Guys, we want you to join us. Like, why aren't you trading with us? If you're trading binary options and you're not trading live with the community, then what are you doing? It is so much easier to make money when you're trading with a live trading community than trying to do this on your own. Guys, we put years, thousands and thousands of trading hours into figuring this out and to refining the strategy and to building the indicators and to dialing in the money management and to putting together the trading and the building the community and all these things just so you could benefit and come in and for such a little investment, take your trading to the next level. Learn how to trade binary options successfully, guys. A lot of you have been wanting to learn. You've been even trying and losing money, blowing accounts. Guys, we want you to have blown your very last account. We want you to join with us and figure out how to never blow another binary options trading account again. And guys, I'm just looking for one more trade here to take me over that $10,000 mark for the session. And then I'm done. I'm out for the session. So I'm kind of just waiting patiently and seeing if I could find one more opportunity. Okay, Euro USD. What do we have here? We've got Euro franc moving up to a resistance. So I like this Euro franc, pound CAD, just switching around, trying to find something that makes sense. Okay, Euro USD. Oh, there we go. It's up back at a resistance and actually has a good 15-minute level that we're just edging on here, but it came back up, put in a nice big candle up to a resistance level. Guys, if I win this entry, we will have crossed $10,000. Are we going to do it? I hope so. I hope so. I do take one more entry there because my first is just edging. It's right at this 15-minute level. I just needed to respond here. Just needed to respond and to help us out. And there it goes. It does start to respond at that level. Sometimes it takes just a little bit longer than you want. Sometimes it happens right away, but it is respecting this 15-minute level. We do win that $50 entry right there. And one more in a few seconds. And guys, this is going to take us over $10,000 for the session. And guys, this account was just at like $1,000 a couple weeks ago. So we've gone from like 1,000 to 10,000 in just like 2 trading weeks, probably 6 or 7 trading days. And we want you to join us. So click on the link in the description below. and we will see you in the trading room.